Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Queen of Natural Remedies channel. In this mask, we are going to get rid of these open large pore sunspots, and especially if you have dry skin and pimples on your face, you can use this remedy and get a glowing skin very quickly. We need very few ingredients. Let's start doing this easy but effective mask. We need egg, but we need just egg yolk. We separate egg yolk and egg white and get the yolk into another bowl. You may just use this, only using egg yolk for 1 month every day will make your skin look much more younger. It will hydrate your skin. It will help you to get rid of dryness and spots. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and touch CC button to get the subscribe on, and you can choose any language in subtitle part and go on watching the video. And now I'm adding honey. It will tighten your face. It will help you to get rid of toxins, bacteria that we don't want to see on our faces. And mix these 2 ingredients very well. It is also good to use it. As you see on my right hand, it's getting dry. And now I'm going to use sweet almond oil. If you don't have sweet almond oil, you can use olive oil, pomegranate seed oil, grape seed oil instead of this. And just teaspoon of sweet almond oil will be enough. And now I'm going to drink my coffee. I especially drink Turkish coffee. You can choose any kind of grounded coffee. And at the bottom of this coffee will help us to get the peeling effect. We will peel our dead cells from our face and get the new one from our under skin. Approximately 1 big spoon of grounded coffee and 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. The ingredients are all easy to find in our kitchen, but when you mix these 4 ingredients, your skin will get brighten, whiten, and tighten at the same time. So I like this remedy very much. As you see, my other hand is ready to be washed, and I'm applying it to my right hand now. You should use every mask or every cream onto your clean hands or your clean face. Otherwise, you don't get the benefits. And one with just egg yolk and the other one with the coffee mask. I'm going to wait both of them. And now I washed my hands and quickly I get the freshness. Both of them are very good, but the right one that I used coffee is much clean. I feel the cleanness. And now I'm going to use it onto my face. Don't forget to use a towel because you don't want to get your dress dirty. I'm applying it all over my face. But be careful while applying the mask under your eyes. But you can use it under eyes. It really helps you to get rid of these dark circles and puffiness under your eyes. I really like using coffee in my mask. It helps to skin firming, fight skin problems very well, and Also for cellulite reduction, it helps us. I apply the mask and don't leave it. I just do the massage. I get the peeling effect of the coffee, and also you can use it underarm, knees, elbows, and onto your foot. Wait for 20 minutes, and as you see, when you peel it from your face, the skin under the mask is much better. It is glowing. Don't be fast. Be slow and wash your face first with warm and then cold water, and you will say that yes, this mask really works. So easy but so effective, as I said. And lastly, we moisturize our skin with a cream that we have done before, a homemade face cream. And in this video I have used grape cream, and I really like the effect of this mask. Hope you also try this mask and get good results. Love all of you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Bye bye.